Friends, welcome to HR Mass Academy. In in our channel, I am explaining IIT Foundation mathematics concepts. First concept, important concept to functions. I am explaining now. What is the definition of function? Function definition is nothing but A and let A and B are two non-empty sets. And f be the relation from A to B, then f is said to be a function from A to B. If every element of A is associated with unique element in B, how to read as once you can see f is such that A to B is read as f is a function from A to B. Here A is called domain of B is called codomain of F. For example, see, I am taking one example, I am explaining clearly. See, I am taking to here A, set A I am taking to 1, 2, 3 elements, and B set I am taking to small a, small b, small c. I am taking it here. A is equal to nothing but I am taking to 1, 2, 3, and set B is I am taking to a, b, c. These are the I am taking now. Now see, the domain of function is nothing but 1, 2, 3. The codomain of function is nothing but to b, c. See, simply I said to wherever I am taking to in set 2, A is called as a simply domain and set B is called as nothing but codomain ABC. Now here see, image of, like you have to define as f of 1. F of 1 is nothing but 1 image of 1 is equal to nothing but to A. Here where 2 associated with domain to codomain, once you can observe it, f of A is equal to A. The image of 2 here associated with B, that's why 2 image B we called as. 3 is nothing but C here. So like we have to manage. Next pre-image of A is nothing but 1. Pre-image of B is nothing but 2. Pre-image of C is nothing but 3. So this is the definition of a function. Here see one formula. Here we have the number of possible functions from A to B is formula is nothing but n of b whole to the power of n. So an example I am taking here. See, I am taking to set to A 3, 4, 5, 6 and B set is nothing but 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm find outing n of A is equal to 4, n of B is equal to 3. Already you know how to find out that n of A and n of B. N of A is nothing but cardinal number of given set. But for example, A set lo how many elements are representations in a given represented set? 4. That's why I'm taking to 4. N of B is equal to 4. So functions is nothing but n of B nothing but 4. N of A is also 4. That's why 4 cube is nothing but 256. I can give one example. Observe it, dear students. Sometimes they're asking for like this questions. See once here one here having two images here, A1 and 2. That's why this is not a function. This is not a function. What is the that definition of function? Every element associated with domain, codomain. That's why here we have in two images. That's why this is not a set. This is not a set. So one more example I can give. Once you can see, dear students, you only tell me that answer and comment. So I am given that A is equal to nothing but here small a, small b, small c, small d I can give now here, and B is equal to nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 comma 5, comma 5. Now we have to find out the number of possible functions. Functions. What is the answer? Now comment and tell me that answer. Then here you have to see A and B. Here I will write as here some elements 1 comma. I will take the 4 comma 5 comma 6 I will take here, and here 7 comma 8 comma 9 I will be take here. Then after that 6 7 5 8 4 9. This is a function or not? Is a function or not? Okay, function or not? Okay, dear students, I understood this concept. Comment these two questions answer in the comment box. Every day I will explain that IIT concepts in our YouTube channel. Follow and subscribe. Thank you, dear students.